Look, everyone here knows how brutal capital raising really is. You're sick of the endless gatekeepers, the dragged-out due diligence that often feels like a broken record, and the feeling that your vision is getting trimmed down just so some VC or fund manager feels comfy playing it safe. It's infuriating, right? Watching your idea get diluted or outright killed because you don't fit into some outdated template or herd mentality. The old system was built on tight control, on closed doors, on favoring those who already have power. And that doesn't change unless you force it to. Now, deep down, you know these centralized funds, big names, big firms, don't have your back. They want their cut, their influence, and they want to own your narrative. You're either their project or you're invisible. That's not a partnership, that's a power play. And it's crushing the potential of true innovation. Investors get bored chasing the same types of deals. Founders get stuck waiting months, sometimes years, just to get a yes or a no. The system is slow, inefficient, and frankly, broken. It wastes the energy of brilliant people who need capital right now, who want to build right now, who should be pushing the world forward right now. But here's the brutal truth. Decentralized funds aren't just a fancy buzzword or some crypto hype. They are a real, actionable way to pull the rug right out from under the old guard and flip the whole capital-raising game on its head. If you're a founder, tired of bureaucracy, if you're an investor, hungry for real deal flow that's not filtered by committees, then decentralized funds are your weapon. They tear down the barriers that choke innovation. They put decision-making where it belongs, with the people who actually know the value because they're involved, invested emotionally and financially, not just financially. We're talking about real power shifts here. No more waiting on permission. No more fake scarcity to pump up valuations. Decentralized funds give the power back to the community. Founders, investors, and operators who actually want to see change instead of padding their own pockets. The projects that get funded are those that resonate deeply with people, those who have community backing, those who can prove real traction, real value, real purpose. Everyone has an equal shot based on merit and vision, not on connections or luck. And yeah, it's messy sometimes. That's the point. The old system is neat, but it's a cage. The decentralized model is raw, real, adaptive. It moves fast. It's open to evaluation, criticism, and most importantly, to actual results. You can't just sit back and let a few old money gatekeepers decide what's worthy anymore, because now you can build your own capital network, your own tribe of believers and doers. So here's what needs to happen right now. Cut loose all the traditional gatekeepers. Stop chasing big brand VCs that drag you through nonsense just to say no. Seek out decentralized funds, DAOs, syndicates, collaborative capital pools, where your project gets judged on what it actually does, not who you know or where you're from. Engage deeply with these communities. Show up with clear numbers, clear vision, and transparent progress. Demand from investors that they participate in real time, hold skin in the game, and align interest with you. If you're an investor, stop waiting for someone else to bring you the perfect deal. Go find founders building outside the established lanes. Help build networks of trust through smart contracts and transparent rules. Back projects with real community support and hold teams accountable in real time without the usual delays and excuses. This is how you protect your downside and multiply your upside, not some outdated term sheet buried in legal jargon. You want to win? You want to be ahead in a world that's flipping upside down? Decentralized funds are not the future. They are the now. This is where capital meets innovation without the chokehold. It's where the real players, founders tired of silence, investors tired of spending years on small returns, get to build the future without bullshit standing in the way. Make no mistake, this isn't for the comfortable or the faint-hearted. This is for the ones willing to step out, get their hands dirty, and rewire the capital market from the ground up. If that's you, then lean in, get involved, and stop playing by the old system's rules because those rules are dead. Build your own network of capital. Fund the impossible. Keep your eyes wide open and move fast. This is your chance to take what was never meant to be yours and make it yours. Right now. No excuses, no waiting. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.